you can use this. So here is the 3 school. You can see here the school, and it is school means single school. How we manage.
Okay.
Similar to single school management, but this is the SaaS management system. When you log in, actually don't see the demo. It is actually for the demo. We make it here, and if I log in is the in the SaaS panel.
Super admin. Yeah.
Super admin.
Yeah.
Here I can see here only the SaaS panel, and see the details like institute, how many institute is there, active student, inactive staff, and dashboard information.
Okay.
And here is the institute list.
Okay.
Many institute is there. You can see here, and you can on off, like if you want to keep disable, then you can just unapprove. Just
so whenever the school is a fees paid, that time you can on off, right?
Right.
Okay.
And here is the option, can delete, edit, assign package. We have the package included in the last updated. Here is a subscription plan. We have the packages. You can set the package as per your requirement. For the demo purpose, we added some package. Like you can see here. Here is the menu permission. That means as much as features we have, all of the permission can give there. Also here is
this all feature is working right now.
Yeah, all features are working right now.
Okay.
So you can set up a manual feature, right? Faster something. You can add as much as feature want to add in the price list. So you can add it from here, and here is the option active inactive package. You can active inactive package from here also, edit and active inactive.
Okay, so this is basically the school packaging, right? The basic, pro and standard, right?
Right. I just click on basic, just show you. If I click on edit, then you can see here is the package, duration 365 days. You can make 30 days. You can create. Okay. If you want to give the trial days, like some for 1 year, you he might be get the 30 days trial.
Okay, okay, right.
Quantity and price you can set up here, and you can all up from here. Okay,
this is a permission and this is role, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So as much as permission you give, that will only that you school will receive. Okay. And the payment method setting, as much as payment method you want to take the payment from online, so you can set up from here. That means
this is a PayPal, this is a Paystack, bank, and checks. Okay.
Yeah. So that means user don't need to inform you, I want to create a school. User can self visit your site, and they can sign up their package as much as package you created, and that package they use and make the payment and using continue.
Okay. So right now the payment gateway, they can charges.
Payment gateway charges means could you explain?
So basically the third party is integration right now, right?
Stripe, if you go to Stripe will take your fees as much as package you select. If you want to PayPal, people take PayPal fees.
Okay, okay, okay.
If make the payment in your bank, then you check and confirm you receive the payment, then user will get the approval.
Okay.
And here is the settings. There is some settings is auto approve, yes or no. If the payments, if you want, then make it auto. If you don't have online payment, then you can make it no. Then user will register and contact with you. After approval, they will can log in.
Okay.
Here is the list of trial. Some user might be take only trial 30 days or something. Then you can trial, after trial ended, they are not continue or they don't make payment. Then you can talk to them why you are not taking package or something like that.
Okay.
And all the payment will show here as much as payment user make. And here is the see the status, how much duration, how much they paid. And here is the payment history, which which school, how much paid, you can see here in details. Is a demo school, so that's showing here. And here is some communication, send mail, SMS, send notification, SMS template. And here is few report. You can see student income expense, teacher list, class list, staff attendance, something. And the system setting, here is the module manager. As much as module in our system available, you can see from here. Here is the, oh, sorry, this is demo, cannot enable this one. But who is are not available, then you can purchase and enable from here. So all of our modules which have ready, those will show here. And there is a general setting. You can change the name from here. Your institute, like we have InfixEdu, you can change it anywhere, any name.
Okay.
You can change this, all of the informations from here. Just click on edit button.
Okay.
And you can change this school name, school code, phone number, etc. All of the informations. Here is the, we have two fees module. One is new fees module, another we call old fees module. That means generate separate invoice for each of the payment. And old one is not generate is separate invoice. Old one is generate invoice for the all of the fees. So option is student admission with guardian, without guardian. So to maintain like coaching center, training center, but training institute or university, that time actually guardian not required. In the school, actually a guardian is required. So we make this option. And we have result type is GPA type or 100% mark type. Some country like Pakistan, maybe Pakistan, Nigeria, they want to 100% marking system. India, Bangladesh, and other country, I think looking GPA system. So as much anyone can use in the system. And the SAAS setting, here is the some information like general setting, to who is permission you give to the school. So as much as switch is enabled, that means they can access those. If don't give the permission, then school not receive this access. And we have custom domain also. Custom domains means if you enable custom domain, that time you all SAAS maintain based on subdomain. So if you enable custom domain, then user will use their subdomain as main domain. Like someone have ABCD or xyz.com, they want to use .com as their main domain. So user when visit xyz.com, they will get their URL, so they can log in their panel. So we
right now you can divert the domain, right?
Right, divert the domain, which is custom model. That means, like you can see here, says .infixedu. They cannot see. They will see their URL, like xyz.com. They will see only xyz.com. So here is the email template setting. That means as much as email have, we have only actually two PSP mail setup SMTP. So two mail setup, you can use anyone.
So mail service is basically the free, right?
Free.
Right. No?
So PSP mail, it is support from your email, your server SMTP also, which one you use. You can use paid, even you can use Gmail also. And SMS setting, in SMS setting, we have some SMS, Twilo, MSG 91, text local, African talking, mobile SMS.
So basically, which SMS service we can give that connected with that platform?
Sorry?
Basically, we are getting the some SMS gateway. That gateway will be including your integration, integrate your platform, right?
Right. So as much as that will you can use from here. Even you please even see last one is custom SMS.
Custom SMS.
As many whichever you like, you can use their gateway name, gateway URL, and make the customize. So there is no bindings. And we have managed currency from here also. You can see as much as currency, and if you want to add another currency which is not in the system, or you can edit anyone, use as per your requirement. Assign module and menu. It is actually defined for the institute. Like you have some special module which is not assigned for the school. Like here have all of the modules. So if you
Right.
want to give a front-end setting or system setting or dormitory or inventory, don't provide to them. In that
Yeah.
case, you can disable those and save information. They will not receive.
Okay.
And we have the utility menu. Utility menu actually for the system for cache clean, clear log, disable debug, or sometime HTTPS. I mean SSL not working. That time you can use the
Okay.
ports HTTPS. And this is the base setup. Base setup means religion, blood group, and something gender, blood group, religion. That base setup you can use anyone. Remove, delete. You can use this one. So here is the language issue. So we have the around 170 languages already in our system. Sorry, 114. So anyone can use anyone. If you are purchasing the test, that time you can enable which language, that language only show. Like if you go to the language setting, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 languages active.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
school will get only those languages which you add from here.
So basically, the action button is the main key that they can take the and they can use that language.
Yeah, as many as languages here, they can action from here.
Okay.
Okay, and next is a manage button. Manage button means actually like when someone visit home, that means they show the website. Like I show you here, you can see home page. If someone don't want to use this one home page, they can use custom URL or something like that or disable. When user visit, they will show the login page, not the home page. Then they can disable a website.
Okay.
So it is also possible. And also we have some button here. You can see style button. If you want to disable, that will disable. Actually for the demo, it's not working. So if you want to disable this button, here is the buttons from here. Even report button, if you disable this one, report button will hide from here.
Okay.
So an email template. So here is the email template. You can modify as per your requirement. You can edit the code. You can see here, delete the HTML. You can put your code as per your needs. So you can develop your custom template. You can put it here. Remove all of the code and put it here. Will work. So here is the many custom email template. And SMS template. This is the SMS template. So we have the custom code. So when you're making any SMS, then you can use like father's name, mother's name, religion, email, phone number, which one want to mention. Just copy this code inside. That will work automatically. Just bring the student phone number or the sometime you generate
Okay, so
for
basically the column is a
payment or
copy
something.
paste right now.
Yeah, you can copy paste this one and type anyone you want to insert inside. And last one is about an update. That means when you want to, this is our latest version. If we update any version, you can take it, the version, and upload from here. And that can just single click work.
Okay.
And we have the system. I mean, you can change the background system from here. Like we have a background image. You can change background image to color, this one. And any login button, background login color, you can change from here. And we have API permission, like someone not want to using mobile app. In that case, you can disable the API access. And this is
So
actually
basically
Cloudflare.
that API permission is a separate school-wise, right?
No, this is actually global.
Okay, this is a global.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here is the ticket system. Like any school want to communicate with the SAAS admin, then they can submit the ticket. You can see the ticket list here, and you can reply or assign to anyone. So they can see the ticket and help to the schools. Like if you have 10 or 20 or 100 school, then one-to-one communication is very tough. So someone not understand anything or any problem, they can submit a ticket, then you can communicate with them.
Okay.
So this is the actually SAAS system, and one is basic school.
This
That
is
means,
super admin, right?
yeah, this is SAAS super admin. So if you want to see your school one demo school, then you can click here from the profile. You can see the one school, how it is look like. So here is the lots of menu, lots of features. It's very tough to explain all of the features. I request you, you can check our demo. All of the features is there. So if you need any help, you don't understand any part, then ask me. I'll share the documentation so that you can get the point to
Just
understand.
one question I have.
Sure.
Basically, so one time is costing right now, this template right now, the
Yeah,
extended
one-time
license
costing. Yeah,
right now.
one-time cost.
So
Yeah.
this is a web, and I just want to the Android and the iOS application also. So that application is connected to that template. Yeah, difference.
This is actually not template. You can tell that is the application. So mobile app also connected with this application backend database. That means we use one database for the mobile app and web application.
Yeah, basically we are changing something setting on all admin panel right now, right? So that we will affect right now the application also, right?
Yeah, right.
Because the
Whatever.
Indian,
I mean, brother, I mean, if you add one student here, you can see the
yeah, right now,
mobile application.
yeah.
So that means it is integrated sync system. If you do
Okay.
something in mobile, you can see in desktop. If you do something desktop, I mean web, then you can see the mobile.
Okay. And how many school we are provide that?
As much as your server support, we don't have any limitation.
Okay. So which server is the best server for the that your total application?
It's depend on you actually, because we sold some SaaS like Malaysia have a few SaaS organization. There's providing
Because
in
I
the
have
school.
already GoDaddy server, dedicated server.
Actually, server is depend on the server configuration, not the company. GoDaddy not issue, but we don't recommend it purchase the name chip. But others, you can use any good server is okay, no problem. Normally, we always prefer to
can you
AWS.
tell me what is the exactly price for the basic the server that application will be smoothly run Android and iOS both?
Actually, it is depend on your user quantity. Right now, our application is running
Actually, I
smoothly.
have some schools. Right now, I have 100 school.
100
So basically, one school is a total student list around 1,500 something.
So in this scenario, like I just give you example, I don't know actually which server company server they using. They managing around 209 schools in Malaysia. Their server is 32 GB RAM and maybe 8 CPU.
That server is 32 GB RAM.
32 GB RAM and 8 CPU. They are managing 209 schools.
So right now the GoDaddy server is the same specification right now. I have.
Okay, no problem. And I don't know actually GoDaddy how much supporting. Even I asked them, they did not share with me. Actually, if you search the market, you know AWS, DigitalOcean,
But
UpCloud.
AWS, the costing is very high.
Yeah, true. But we normally recommended DigitalOcean and UpCloud because UpCloud claim their server is more faster than AWS.
UpCloud. Okay.
UpCloud. And price is
How
similar.
much
But
time the required in the setup of all things? Android app, iOS app, and the web application.
sorry, how?
How much time is required? How much days?
We provide the source code, so you can do it yourself.
So you are not support. Your support team is can the manage basically the setup and all. Okay, that thing will be happening with hours.
Our team will do with additional payment. Like if you want to submit in Android and App Store, Apple Store, that time you need to pay additional payment for the service. We are
Basically,
selling
can
source
you tell
code.
what is the extra payment we will require, because we are calculate the basic amount. So basically we are going to around something 1 lakh around the web application, Android application and iOS application. We are calculate the amount. 1 second. One lakh 75 या water जो that amount you will take, right?
Actually, I
$200.
don't know your local currency. You just calculate with the USD. That
I
that
am
will
looking
better.
the Indian currency.
EDM. Okay.
Yeah.
I just talking about USD 2000 for the source code, and after that, if you do any work, it's depend on you. For the submission only, App Store and Play Store, you need to pay additionally $200. And if you do any work for customization, we can do hourly basis.
No, I don't want to
Hourly,
customize it. I just want to support the team. Your team will support that the end of the result. They can set up the all the things, web application, Android application, and iOS application.
okay. In that case, we can give you free of cost the server installation only, web application, and mobile application submit to the App Store and Play Store. You have to the verified account. You give the access, and you need to pay additionally only $200.
Okay, additional $200.
Yes.
1 second. Okay, and any problem we will find out. So, what is the time will we solve that that matters, that works and all.
If you do not modify any code, as if use as like as we service provide you, that time you will receive 6 month service, this 6 month bug fixing period. 6 months, in the 6 months, if you face any problem like any bug you found, then we will fix it without any cost, free of cost.
Okay, after 6 months.
After 6 months, if you take the service, you need to pay additionally.
So I can manage our team also, that code and all?
Yeah, of course. After 6 months, you can manage yourself, no problem.
In which language you can use that code?
We use Laravel and jQuery.
Laravel and jQuery. This is the backend, right?
Yeah, backend.
And front end?
Front end jQuery.
Okay.
Both Laravel and jQuery, front end, backend.
Or application, that application will be you can develop in Flutter, right?
Mobile application is Flutter.
Okay. Okay. So extended license that can be, I can use the many school I can provide it, right?
Yeah.
That not issue. That not issue, right?
Yeah, that not issue.
Okay. No problem, sir. I can manage. Okay. I can discuss our management team. I can present your application, web application demos. Can you give me the demo, the Android application?
Yeah,
APK
just you
file.
can search in Play Store.
Which name?
I can just InfixEdu. I just give you link, InfixEdu. If you search InfixEdu, you will get SaaS and single both. Okay. I give you the link over the WhatsApp.
So basically, the problem is that I can buying the some code in that site, but something that happening that the project will not fully run that the way they can show the demo. That's why I'm asking you to give me a meeting and give me the clarification.
Okay, no problem. So that I am here to show you a real demo. Actually, some of people are selling the code, but that is not working properly. And one thing is better that we have many SaaS users, they are using SaaS without any problem, and they are running many schools. Like I give you one example, which is in Malaysia, Bryce, maybe they are using for government project, 209 schools already.
Okay. Okay, sir. No problem. So
Anything else?
no. It's okay. It's
Okay,
okay.
fine.
Whatever I have any doubts, I can text you, WhatsApp you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah.